Person's speech is on Adam Sandler. Who is Adam Sandler? Adam Sandler is known to be an actor, comedian, screenwriter, producer, singer, and musician. He is primarily known for his comedic leading actor in films and television, and he has also received various accolades, including nominations for Grammy Awards, Emmy Awards, Golden Globe Awards, and the Screen Actors Guild Award. Adam Sandler was born September 9, 1966, in Brooklyn, New York. In his childhood, his parents, Judith and Stanley Sandler, had 4 children, Adam being the youngest. They are all Jewish and descendants from Russian Jewish immigrants on both sides of the family. Around 6 years old, Adam Sandler moved to Manchester, New Hampshire, where he attended Manchester Central High School, and that is where he got the reputation of being the clown of his class. His brother noticed his talent and encouraged him to perform at Stand-Up Comedy Club in Boston, and that is where his comedian career began. After high school, Sandler took classes at the Lee Strasberg Theater and Film Institute in New York City, and then he proceeded to attend the Tisch School of the Arts at New York University, graduating in 1988 with a bachelor's degree in acting. One big thing Adam Sandler is known for is his clothing. He tends to wear t-shirts, basketball shorts, or cargo shorts for the most part overall. Just casual clothes. Most celebrities have always been known to wear clothes from top designers or they employ stylists, but not Adam Sandler. He is considered a regular dresser and dresses just like the rest of us. Although some people may question his choices of clothing, in 2021, Vogue called him a fashion icon, and at this time, he was the unofficial ambassador of pandemic style, and given the name of the grocery run look. Adam Sandler prefers not to feel restricted in his clothes, hence why he wears so many loose-fitting pieces. Adam Sandler's success. Adam Sandler has been very successful throughout his life and continues to be. One of his first television appearances was on The Cosby Show in the late 1980s. He also became a regular on the MTV game show Remote Control. He was employed as a writer on SNL in 1990, becoming a cast member and was a part of the show for 5 years. It was only during the 1990s, though, when he started receiving recognition for his performances in movies, including the films Coneheads and Airheads. He furthered his career by founding his own company, Happy Madison Production, in 1999, and has since produced many films under the banner. During the 1990s, he also made a series of comedy albums to getting certified double platinum. In May 2019, Adam Sandler made his first appearance as the host of Saturday Night Live. In 2002, he won Best Actor Award for Punch, Drunk Love at the Gigan International Film Festival. In 2014, he was named a Male Star of the Year at the CinemaCon Awards. He is also a recipient of several People's Choice Awards, including Favorite Comedic Movie Actor for 4 consecutive years from 2012 to 2015. And in 2017, he won the Hollywood Film Award under the category Comedy of the Year for his film. Adam Sandler's top 10 movies are Happy Gilmore, 50 First Dates, Big Daddy, The Waterboy, The Wedding Singer, Billy Madison, The Longest Yard, Grown Ups, Mr. Deeds, and Just Go With It. Currently, Adam Sandler's net worth is $420 million. Adam Sandler's plans for the future. Moving forward, Adam Sandler's plans to release 5 new movies to Netflix in 2023. This includes Murder Mystery 2 coming March 31st, Leo coming November 22nd, Spaceman coming the fall of 2023, and You Are So Not Invited to My Bar Mitzvah. Also, Adam Sandler is teaming up with the Safdie brothers for a new project coming up. And lastly, Happy Madison Movies is coming to Netflix in 2023 with a new movie called The Outlaws.